if the children they are really out of focus, we start with a rhythmical game, really to collect their focus and to have their concentration back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we repeat this, but then we add one gesture, one sound, like a crazy sound, and one word. Okay. So word could be a plankton. Kukurigu. Plankton. Kukurigu. Plankton. Kukurigu. Plankton. So I think it repeats like this.
Very cool.
Yeah. So building rhythm sensitivity makes strong impact of our self-confidence, self-balance, and self-discipline, and helps us really to connect, to make a stronger connection with our emotions.